On September 16, 1893, a settler named William S. Prettyman captured historic images of the final Oklahoma land run before joining in the race himself. Historians say up to 125,000 people lined up that day, on horseback, with wagons, and on foot, taking off at the sound of gunshots to claim their own piece of the 6+ million acres offered up by the federal government. That land belonged to the Cherokee Nation just months before, granted to the tribe through the treaties of 1828 and 1835. It was called the Cherokee Outlet, 7 million acres that extended 220 miles along the northern border of present-day Oklahoma. When the treaties were written, the government guaranteed that this land would be part of the tribe's permanent home out west. But after the American Civil War, the federal government changed its mind and purchased more than 6 million acres of the outlet for $1.40 an acre, less than half of what the Cherokees believed it was worth. President Grover Cleveland designated September 16, 1893 as the date of the run, which was the largest land opening in U.S. history.